How to sell crypto on Metamask. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bastav, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell crypto on Metamask. Now you can sell crypto easily on the Metamask wallet. Here's how you can do it. First, you want to open up the wallet there, Metamask wallet, and you want to make sure you're logged in there to your account. There, now you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Let it load up. Now you can see, now at the bottom you'll get the trade option or the arrow icon. You can see the blue arrow icon in the middle bottom, so you want to tap on it, and there you want to tap on option that says sell crypto for cash. You want to tap on it, and there you want to simply tap on get started. Now here first it'll ask you to choose the regions. You want to select the region where your bank is based. In my case, I've already selected it. Then it'll ask you to add in your detail. You can either add debit or credit, your PayPal or ACH transfer, and you can simply tap and continue to amount there. And then you want to select what you want to sell. You can see what you have. You can search it from the options there, and you can go ahead and select it, and then select the amount, and then tap on send your cash to debit or credit card, or where do you want to receive the cash, and then go ahead and place your order. So this way you can sell crypto on Metamask. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.